Now I'd like to present the Mystery House High Resolution number 1 by Online Sierra, displayed on a Apple II Euro Plus. This program was created by Ken and Roberta Williams, and it's a high resolution adventure number 1. And let's go straight to the game by typing G and pressing return. And here we have the starting sequence. There was a house, and we are in front yard of a large abandoned Victorian house. Stone steps lead up to a white porch. Enter commands. We want to go up. Now we have made it to the front of the house, and let's try to open the door. We have opened the door. This is the way a text adventure in 1980 will lead you to a game. Enter the door. So we are inside the mystery house. So many people here. There's a note. Let's get the note. But now we can have a walk to the east, and let's have a look to the other rooms of the house. There is also a note. Get note. And there's a door on the right side. We will open the door and go east. I think we're outside of the house now. You are in the side yard where we can follow the fence to the south. Let's go to the south. In the south, we are in the fence backyard. The fence follows the side of the house in the north. There is a dead body here. Let's try to get the body. Maybe we can get everything here. No, this is too heavy. So if I have a problem here, I can type help and click return, and I get some major tags. Do it again. Help can be like north, south, east, west, up and down. So we go north. So we go west, west, and we are back in the main hall. So we can go up the stairs and walk into the house wherever we want. That's Mystery House 1980, displayed in 1 bit on an Apple II Euro Plus